the turkey hears this, they might think I'm dying. Hey guys, I am on the road currently going towards West Texas, kind of out by Abilene. Gonna try to get some turkeys this week, maybe some pigs too. We'll just see what happens. I got my bow and excited too because I think I'm gonna meet some family there and it's gonna be a good weekend. Heading out to the stand right now at Eastland, Texas. Whoop whoop. My dad just told me there's some pigs down here, so I'm gonna sneak down with my bow right now. This is gonna be an evening hunt. It's pretty chilly out right now. Got my skiing pants on. Hopefully I can get some hogs with my bow tonight. Got my Elite Spirit with me, knocked and ready to go. So wish me luck. It is about 6:30 right now. It ended up getting a little colder. I'm glad I brought some extra clothes along with me. It gets dark about 8 o'clock, so we'll see what comes to the feeder. I hear some pigs in the woods right in front of me. Hopefully they'll come out so I can get a shot. Smacked a hog with my bow. This is the beginning of the blood trail, right where I shot it under the feeder. And we got our bloodhound dog right here. And some awesome helpers, and I think I know where it's at, but we're gonna go take a look. Just smacked a little teenage hog with my Elite Spirit right before dark. It smacked really hard. All the other pigs ran off into the woods. I was waiting until the last minute of shooting light, hoping that one of the other pigs would come out, but I think they all tore off. I'm gonna wake up first thing at daylight and start off where we found the last drop of blood. There was tons of blood everywhere. No doubt that it's already dead, but it was in some really thick stuff, so I'll take Joe later in the morning. So we are back looking for my pig. This is where it ended. And we're gonna go from there. Just a little teenager. Head did real good. Pull out the other side too. So I was looking at the video I took earlier of the pig I shot, this one right here, the first one, and turns out that I shot another pig behind it right in the heart that ran the opposite way. I just shot it with a trophy taker, shuttle tease, and it passed through one hog, went into the other, so we're gonna go take a look. It's awesome. Hey y'all! Unfortunately, since I had to leave soon from the property, we're recording all this just 2 days after now. The next morning, after we found my pig, I was unable to find my arrow. We looked and searched the whole blood trail. We went back and forth. The blood started right at the feeder where he was eating, and I followed the whole trail to where we found him that morning, but there wasn't any signs of my arrow, no fletchings, and I was really confused because my hog had a complete pass-through. There was an entry and an exit wound. So I went back and rewatched the video on my phone a couple times, and I zoomed in real close and went back and forth, and I realized that the hog behind it took off with my arrow. You could see the white fletchings in the video if you go back. It was really cool. So I saw where that hog ran off in the woods and was able to find my arrow broken off on the trail. Unfortunately, I was unable to find that hog, but once I measured my arrow that I found from the second hog to my arrow in my quiver, there was a good 5 inches of it that had been left in the second hog when it had taken off. So I was super pumped about that. The trophy taker shuttle tees did a great job. I'm really looking forward to using them maybe on our elk trip coming up this September, and couldn't be more satisfied. Thanks so much for joining me, and don't forget to like and subscribe. More content is coming out soon, so be on the lookout, and I hope y'all have a good day. Bye.